Your Toyota Yaris key fob can be opened easily to replace the battery. First, locate the access slot, usually a small indentation on the side or bottom of the fob, present on most 3 or 4 button designs. Use a flat tool like a small screwdriver or butter knife to gently pry the case open at this slot. Apply even pressure without twisting to avoid damaging the plastic clips inside. For models with a key blade, like some 2015-2019 versions, you can use the blade as a lever. Avoid excessive force, as misalignment can crack the casing. Be careful when separating the two halves of the fob, as they may be held together by plastic clips and possibly a rubber gasket. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a clip. Note the battery's polarity, positive side up, before removing it. Ensure the battery contacts are clean to prevent connectivity issues. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. Snap the fob halves back together securely, listening for a click. DIY battery replacement saves money compared to dealership service. Important trends include future fobs moving toward rechargeable options and NFC smartphone pairing. Be aware that post-2023 models may require reprogramming if disassembled incorrectly. Always replace the battery at the first sign of weakness to avoid lockouts. Improper disassembly accounts for 15% of fob repairs, so precision is key.